glad you could join me today. So, yeah, let's continue with our Toy Story drawing tutorials. Today we'll be drawing Gabby Gabby from Toy Story 4. Let's start. And by the way, if you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Sai Siddharth. In this channel, I'll be doing drawing tutorials, origami tutorials and much more. So let's start. For this tutorial, you need a pencil, an eraser and different types of black ink pens for inking later on. So let's go. First, still I have my paper in portrait mode. Zooming in. Okay, imagine that there's sort of like this shape right here. Oops, sorry, focus. Just a second, and right so. Imagine there's this shape sort of right here. Just goes in. Okay, so we're just sort of like finding the right spots first. So let's just first find the center line. So that's gonna be our center line. Let me go in with the nose. So the nose. Just a second. Yeah. So my nose, I'm gonna be saying that it's somewhat right there. That's a good place. So just a upward curve. And then just another one line like that. Just zoom in. And just nostrils kind of shape here and here. Like that. Okay, and then imagine it just two lines like that coming down. Going like that. Oh, I'll just erase the two lines. Let's draw the. So imagine that this is continuing till there. Okay, and now let's draw our eyes. So the eye line, I'm saying it's somewhat right here, pretty much close to the nose. Okay, starting from here, right there. It's not exactly a circle, it's more of like an oval. So make sure you have that. And then the eye bag with a pupil, very big pupil. Just thicken that line. Okay, right here, the pupil, sorry, this is the eyeball, and then with just a highlighted spot. Just a second. So the pupil, just try to bring it as big as you can, not too big, and then just some lines like that. And right here, circle like that, and again semicircle, and then just again just doing an oval. This time the eyeball is more over to the right, that is facing the camera. Okay, and there is some lines on the inside, right, and then just darken that line. This line goes out. So that's good. Now let's start by shaping it. So imagining that's that. Doing a nice little curve right there. That's good for now. And then the lips. Pretty short lips. Okay, and then just that. So kind of make it like smiling. As though it's smiling. And then a bottom lip. Okay, and then another small one. Like that and like that. So let's just change the shape a bit. So that's that. And now, so as I told, I'm going to be erasing that line. Okay, so imagining that this comes till there. Like that. Okay. Now let's draw till the hairline. So our hairline, I'm approximating it there. It comes out like that. And just draw it like that. And just imagining that going like that. And imagining the cheek, of course, coming like that. So just imagine it like that. Let's not do anything really dark. So right here, let's start by shaping it. That's good. One line like that, and then the ear, it comes sort of very below since we're looking at it from the bottom angle. Okay, and then just another line like that. Try not to put too much details. There and like that. Just change the shape a bit. Okay, and now, as I told, 2 lines right there. Now let's do the hair. So I'm saying that the hair is right there. And it doesn't look like Gabby Gabby right now, but that's okay. Like that and like that. So it's gonna come down till here. It's gonna go like that. And then just imagine there's a ribbon like that. Let's not do anything dark at the moment. So I'm going to be erasing and bringing this even closer. Okay, now let's draw the eyebrows. The eyebrows are right there. Really small eyebrows. Now it's shaping more like Gabby Gabby. So kind of like that. Just bring that down a bit. Like that. And now let's just do the hair. So imagine like 3 strands, and then just some more details inside that. So try not to make it too much detail, just some individual hairs. So right here, try to make effect as if there's some reflection of light in the middle, whereas it's dark. There's no reflection of light here. Just try to get that. And then there's some individual strands of hair here and here. Right. So now some wrinkles in the ribbon. Like that. So again, let's just keep modifying it. Doesn't look like Gabby Gabby. The shape of the head doesn't look like that. Okay, and now as I told again, just some more lines like that. And now let's just give it a more cheeky one. Oh, that's just too much. That's way too much. That's good. So this, I'm going to be just leaving it like that. I'm not going to be completing the face. Okay. Imagine it coming down, and then of course it's a toy, so there are different parts for articulation, movement. Okay, and now as I told, imagine that coming down. Okay, just a second. I'm going to be making that part bigger. That's good. Alright, so the center line coming right there. So imagine going right there. Ending it right there, by the way. Just doubling that line, and then the arm. Okay. And as I told, right here, line like that. Right there, and same thing right here. So, but this time you won't be seeing most of it. You'll just go like that, and again like that, and then coming down, and then a button right there. So right here, just draw some circles. It's kind of white dots in a dress, and again just some more detail, tiny dots, and then the arm. Again, just you see that much. So I guess we have finished for the least. Let me just do some more tiny detailing. So just nothing major, just making it pretty more bigger lips, giving more big shapes. Okay, so that's good. Like that. And by the way, I forgot almost. Like that, and again some individual strands of hair. Like that. So great. And by the way, if you wanted to see my other Toy Story drawing tutorials, click right there to see that. Yes, we are finished. Just give some more. Let's just try to make it even better. Smooth curve for the bridge of nose, like that. Doesn't meet the eyebrow. So I guess that's Gabby Gabby. Finished Gabby Gabby. And let's just ink it. Okay, so you know what? I won't be inking that right now. Anyways, thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and as usual, stay tuned for more. If you wanted to see my latest video, click right here. If you wanted to see my previous drawing tutorial or previous video, click right here. And if you wanted to subscribe to my channel, click right here. Again, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Peace.